Hello. Hi. Welcome to Read to Talk. This is a real style podcast in simple English. We speak slowly, we keep it natural. Today's topic is phone habits.
Hi everyone, I'm Steve, and my phone is my best friend. Also, my worst enemy.
That sounds dramatic.
It is dramatic. My phone knows everything about me, even my snack mood.
Okay. Today, we will talk like two friends. Simple English, short sentences. Real life.
And maybe we will fix my phone life.
We will try. Let's start. Steve, first question. When do you check your phone?
Easy. In the morning, in the afternoon, at night, and sometimes at 2 a.m.
2 a.m.?
Yes, I wake up, I think I should sleep. Then I think, just one quick check.
And is it quick?
No, it's never quick.
That is a very common problem.
My phone says 5 minutes, but it means 1 hour.
Okay, let's talk about the morning. What do you do first, phone or bathroom?
Phone.
Steve,
I know, it's bad. I open my eyes and I grab my phone.
what do you check?
Messages, notifications, and the weather.
The weather is okay.
Yes, but then I see a video, then another video. Then my morning is gone.
That's called scrolling.
Scrolling is a black hole.
Yes, I try to do something different. I wake up, I drink water, then I check my phone.
You are a strong person.
Not always. Sometimes I also check too early.
Thank you. I feel less guilty.
Let's talk about notifications. Do you get many notifications?
Too many. My phone is always like, hey, look at me. Hey, new message. Hey, new sale.
Sales are dangerous.
Very dangerous. I don't need new shoes, but the phone says you do.
Do you keep notifications on?
Yes, because I'm curious.
Curiosity is strong.
And I don't want to miss something.
That feeling has a name, fear of missing out. People say FOMO.
FOMO. My phone is the king of FOMO.
I understand. I turned off some notifications.
Like what?
Shopping apps, games, some social apps.
Wow, that is brave.
It helps. My phone is quieter now.
My phone is never quiet. It is a small, noisy bird.
Steve, be honest. How much time do you spend on social media?
Small time.
Small?
Yes, just 3 hours.
Steve, that is not small.
In my heart, it is small.
Okay, what do you do on social media?
I watch short videos, funny videos, food videos, cat videos.
Cat videos are powerful.
Cats are everywhere, and I can't stop.
Do you post or just watch?
Mostly watch. I am a professional watcher.
Professional watcher. Sometimes I watch too, but I try to limit it.
How?
I set a simple rule: no social media during breakfast and no social media in bed.
No social media in bed. That sounds impossible.
It's not easy, but it helps sleep.
Okay, bedtime is my biggest problem.
Tell me.
I go to bed. I feel tired. I say, I will sleep now.
Good start.
Then I check my phone just for a second.
And?
Then I see one funny video. I laugh. I send it to a friend. Then my friend replies. Then I reply.
And suddenly it's late.
Yes. Suddenly it's 1 a.m. and I am still smiling and tired.
Do you use Do Not Disturb?
Sometimes, but my finger turns it off.
Your finger is the enemy.
Yes, my finger is not loyal.
I use Do Not Disturb at night. I also charge my phone far from my bed.
Far?
Yes, not next to my pillow.
But what if I need it?
For what?
For important things.
Like what?
Like checking if someone liked my photo.
Steve.
That is important to my ego.
Okay, another phone habit, battery. Do you worry about battery?
Yes. When my battery is 20%, I panic.
20% is not zero.
It feels like zero.
What about 5%?
At 5%, I am a different person. I become serious. I run to a charger. I protect my phone like a baby.
Do you carry a charger?
Always. Charger, cable, power bank. I am ready for war.
Phone war.
Battery war.
Okay, tell a short story, a real phone moment.
Okay, last Sunday I had a plan. Simple plan. Clean my room.
Great plan.
I started cleaning, then my phone buzzed.
Buzzed.
Yes, notification. I said, one quick check.
Uh-oh.
It was a message from my friend. Then I opened the chat. Then I saw a video. Then another video.
And the room?
The room stayed dirty, but my heart was happy.
Until Monday.
Yes, until Monday.
Okay, let's keep it simple. Not a lecture, just friendly ideas.
I need friendly ideas.
Idea 1. Turn off a few notifications. Just a few, like shopping apps.
Okay, I can do that. Shopping apps are too loud.
Idea 2. One phone-free moment. Just one, like breakfast or dinner.
Dinner phone-free. That sounds healthy.
Yes. Idea 3. Bedtime rule. Phone away 20 minutes before sleep.
20 minutes. I can try. I will miss my cats.
The cats will be there tomorrow.
True.
And you can also use airplane mode at night.
Airplane mode in my bedroom. I feel like a pilot.
Let's do a short, natural dialogue, like real friends.
Okay.
Steve, do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, first thing.
Same, sometimes. What do you check?
Messages and videos.
And at night?
That is my problem. I scroll too much.
Do you use Do Not Disturb?
I try, but I turn it off.
Okay, simple plan. Turn off shopping notifications and charge your phone far from the bed.
Far from the bed. Okay, my finger will be sad.
Your finger will learn.
I hope so.
Quick recap. Today we talked about phone habits. Morning phone, notifications, social media, bedtime scrolling, battery panic.
And we learned one important truth.
What truth?
One quick check is a lie.
Yes. Thank you for listening to Read to Talk.
Comment one thing. Are you a morning phone person or a night phone person?
Bye. See you next time.
Bye. Have a nice day.